As an artist, I think my hands have been the most important tools in my life. I've created things with my hands for as far as I can remember. For me, every creation is about the process, the tactile experience, and be able to transform ideas into shapes. Whatever I'm sculpting something from scratch, making a mold and casting some resin, or even sculpting a book, I enjoy using a variety of materials as it allows me to approach a subject in different ways. Expressing myself through various physical mediums is much more instinctive and meaningful than if I'm using words. I wanted to explore the subject of touch and hands, as during this period of lockdown, the act of touching something or someone, which has been taken for granted for so long, is from now on associated with risks and contagion. As many people who live alone, I haven't touched another human being in 2 months now. I have a feeling this pandemic is changing the way people will be physically interacting in the future. Are we going to scrap the handshake? How long before we feel relaxed again to hug people we meet without thinking twice or automatically keeping our distance? One thing I appreciate about this lockdown is the calm it brings. Being able to completely concentrate without noise, with a continuous peacefulness, is precious. I enjoy being completely immersed into an artistic project. It is a sensory experience that is fulfilling, bringing me peace and a sense of purpose. Being crafty is a good way to handle being in lockdown. It keeps your hand busy and your imagination going, and reduces your stress and anxiety. It can become a form of meditation and bring you some comfort and moments of happiness. So whatever materials you have, however weird or crazy your ideas might seem, just give it a shot and try making something with your hands.